Hi everyone, few times guys ask me how to set up tools or my best setup, and I want to show you how I'm doing. Here is very small place for work, and I set up stand, mitre saw, vacuum, connect with cyclone. All dust, most of dust collect in this bucket. And here is, I have splitter. I made it from the blast gates. I took two blast gates and make the splitter. It's easy when I cut on mitre saw. I switch to this side. If needed table saw, I switch to this side. I have video how to make this dust splitter. If you're interested in how to do it, you can find link in description for this video. So here is the table saw, and everything very comfortable for work. So I can cut right here. I recommend you have a look on this video review about this saw. I really love this saw, easy to carry on job site, and easy for work. So just switch and cut. And then switch here. I have video how to set up a 7-inch blade on 10-inch table saw. It's safer, reduce waste with less sawdust, make clean cuts, increase the life of the saw, and reduce noise and electrical use. That's it. And here you can see some small example how easy work with this setup for me, and I hope it's helpful for you too. Here is opposite way installation of wood floor, because you see the tongue is going back, so I start installation from other side of now I'm just come to the small room. Also you can see how I'm using waste. I'm not throughout all boards what I'm using, just I am keeping it by the end of the job. If we need to cut like this small strip for the finishing floor close to the wall, I'm just using this waste. So, and you can see I'm just take the small pieces of full board and mark on this waste pieces line, and now I just cut it and get what I need. Don't raise the blade too high, it should be just 1/16 higher than piece of wood what you're gonna cut. It's for your safety. I hope in this video you find something useful for you. If you have any question, you can ask. I always answer you. See you on next video.